Morning, everybody. Well, this is Blue, and I wanted to share with you my garden. Being pagan, we should be going outside, spending time with Mother Nature. We need to bond with the earth. Well, one of the greatest things to do to achieve this goal is do some gardening. Now, I know not all of us can do it, and we're all in different environments, schedules, and all that. But you need to find some way to get outside. And this is mine. Um, I have a 6 raised garden bed system with 3 trellis arches in the back. To this year, I'm growing a little bit of everything, and I am just really amazed on how well some of these plants are just exploding, in the raised garden beds. So in detail, I have my squash here. This is it. Doesn't that zucchini look great? I have a total of 5 different types of squash growing. Some summer, some winter squash. I have beans growing. These are runner beans. This is what I'm growing on my center trellis arch. These things can grow, and they've only been on the trellis arch for a week now, and you can just see how high they are. I think this one is about 3 feet long, so that is just amazing. I also have snap peas over here. They're not doing so good this year because I had some friendly rabbits decide to take some nibbles out of some of my plants. Okay. Got tomatoes. I have 5 different types of tomatoes here. And, everything from the grape tomato and up to a beefsteak tomato. This bed I have bush beans and more squash. So that should be plenty of squash for us this year. On this bed I have lettuce, potatoes, kale, and Brussels sprouts. Trying to eat healthier, trying to live a better life. On this bed, this one it has a lot of volunteers from last year. And so we're kind of not rowing everything up on this one. We're just trying to make sure everything gets spaced. This one, I have volunteers of mint and dill. I also have cabbage, broccoli, oregano in the bed as well. And in this final bed here, I have carrots, onions, and 3 different types of peppers. So that is what my garden's going to be like this year. I would love to find out how everybody's doing on their outside projects, see what everybody's planting and what type of luck you're having. So everybody, take care, be at peace.